Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make cutting chai or kadak chai. Chai is usually considered the remedy to everything, and whether it's a meeting or a get together with friends, we all need a cup of tea. So let's check out how to make cutting chai. To make chai, we have taken 15 grams or about 1 inch piece of ginger, 750 ml or 3 cups of water, 3/4 cup or approximately 180 ml of milk. We have taken full fat milk here. 4 teaspoons of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste. So if you want it sweeter, you can add more, and lesser if you want it less sweet. 3 teaspoons of tea powder. For cutting chai, we need to use tea powder which is at least moderately strong. So do not take very light tea powder. So here we have kept milk and water to boil separately. And in the meanwhile, let's pound ginger in a mortar and pestle. If you don't have mortar and pestle, you can also grind it in a blender, but using mortar and pestle enhances the flavors even more. Our ginger has been pounded. Now let's add this to the boiling water and again boil it for a bit. Now let's add 3 teaspoons of tea powder, and let's continue to stir this for about 2 minutes on a low flame. The stirring is important because it enhances the flavors of the tea. It gives out a very nice taste. Next, let's add sugar. And then we need to continue to stir this while allowing the sugar to dissolve. People even add other masalas such as cardamom, peppercorn, cloves, etc. Today we've added only ginger. Now let's add in milk. This is the hot milk we had set to boil before. And let's continue to stir this and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we can reduce the flame and allow it to come to a boil once again. This is also a technique to enhance the flavors of the tea. Once this is done, let's put on the lid and cover this tea for about 2 minutes. This helps to capture the flavors further. And now the tea is ready to be strained onto a vessel. The tea looks and smells really yummy. Our cutting chai or kadak chai is all ready. Let's serve this in cutting chai glasses. These glasses are typically available in cutting chai stalls in Mumbai streets. This looks so good. We hope you liked this recipe of cutting chai. Please try it out, give us a feedback. Do not forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.